Now the concept of linearity and linear network. Generally the word linear means a straight line which looks like a diagonal, and it tells about the linear characteristics between voltage and current. That is, current flow in a circuit is directly proportional to the voltage. It means in the circuit, if the voltage is increased, then the current will also be increased in direct proportion and vice versa. Now, let's say there is a resistive circuit R, and we apply a DC voltage source across the resistance, so a current will flow through the element. According to the Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to I into R. Now, if we want to draw the V versus I characteristics, then the characteristics of this circuit will be a straight line passing through the origin. Means when the voltage is 0, the current will also be equal to 0, because from Ohm's law we can write I equal to V upon R. And as the voltage is gradually increasing, the current will also be increased in the same proportion. Now this slope is called as the resistance. Remember one thing, if the value of the resistance is increasing, that means in this circuit, if we increase the resistance value, then the slope will also be increased. Suppose this one and so on. Let's say this is R1 and this is for R2. So in this case, the R2 is greater than R1. But in both the cases, the V versus I characteristics will be a straight line. The elements which follow this linearity, that means where the V versus I characteristics is a straight line, then these elements are called as a linear element. So the linear elements are the elements where the voltage and current characteristics is in direct proportions. The examples of the linear elements are resistors, inductors, capacitors, and so on. So linear element are the elements for which the voltage and the current is directly proportional to each other, and the circuit or network that consists of the linear elements are called the linear circuit or the linear network. Now the nonlinear circuit and nonlinear elements. These are the elements which does not have any linear relationship between voltage and current. For example, diode, transistor, then vacuum tube, other electronic devices, etc. And the circuit that is made by these nonlinear elements are called the nonlinear circuit or the network. For example, if we consider a diode, we know that the diode can be either forward biased or reverse biased. So in this case, the diode is in forward biased. Let's say I is the current flowing through the diode and the voltage across the diode is V. Similarly, if we connect the diode in reverse biased, then the polarity across the diode will be changed. So this is the diode in reverse biased. So this is the forward biased and this is the reverse biased. So if we want to draw the characteristics of a diode between voltage and currents, then we can see that in case of forward biased, the nature of the current will be exponentially increased with the increase with the voltage. That means if we increase the voltage across the diode gradually, the current will be increased exponentially. Whereas if we connect the diode in reverse biased, that means the polarity across the diodes are changed, then the current will be flowing in the opposite direction and it will follow this line. So definitely the voltage and current characteristics for a diode is not a straight line. It is not the linear. That's why it is called the linear element. And if there is any circuit with the diodes, then this circuit will be considered as the nonlinear circuit.